Let's have another proving session, and this time we will have commutativity, associativity, and identity. We have A star B is equal to B star A, quantity A star B, star C is equal to A star quantity B star C, and A star E, where is the identity element, is equal to E star A is equal to A. So for our objective, we will prove star in R or real numbers using commutativity, associativity, and identity. So at the end of this quick presentation, you will learn how to prove star in R using these properties. So let's start. Given, okay, let star be a binary operation defined on R by A star B is equal to A plus 2B. Prove that star is commutative, associative, and if an identity exists in R. So to start our proof, so write the word proof and then let's start with commutativity. So we will show A star B is equal to B star A. So using this, so A, and then we have B plus 2A. And basically, A plus 2B is not equal to B plus 2A. And we can say here that star is not commutative. So we'll proceed with associativity. We will show quantity A star B star C is equal to A star quantity B star C. So using this, so we will start with this. So A plus 2B, okay, quantity star C is equal to A star. Okay, we will convert this one B plus 2C. And then we will apply this one again. We have quantity A plus 2B plus 2C is equal to A plus 2 quantity B plus C. And we will simplify A plus 2B plus 2C and then A plus distribute, okay, 2B plus 4C. And we can say that A plus 2B plus 2C is not equal to A plus 2B plus 4C. So, star here is not associative. And we'll proceed with identity. We will show, okay, just one of this. We will just incorporate the other, okay, in our process. So E star A is equal to A. So this implies E plus 2A is equal to A. So E here is actually equal to 0 if we will perform A star E is equal to A. And we can solve that E is equal to 0. That's why E here is equal to 0. So 2A is it equal to A? So it's not. So 2A is not equal to A. So we can say that there is no identity element. So we have shown and we have proven that star is not commutative, not associative, and the identity doesn't exist. So can you prove other star in R? So try this. Prove. Let star be a binary operation defined on R by A star B is equal to A plus B. Prove that star is commutative, associative, and if an identity exists in R. So don't forget to like and share. Thank you.